That's crazy. What? That's crazy. What is up, guys, and welcome to another video. I'm sure this looks a little familiar. You remember the video that we made with the Dunkin' Donuts donuts?
I thought I was supposed to say that.
Anyways, so we've got a pretty cool video for you today. Today we're going to be trying something that many call impossible. And George, what's that going to be?
The Impossible Burger.
So, here we've got two Impossible Burgers. The reason why they call it impossible is because apparently this is supposed to taste exactly like a regular beef patty burger. However, the reason why they call it the Impossible Burger is because it has no meat whatsoever inside of it, and it is completely plant-based. So George and I, just like the Dunkin' Donuts challenge, we're going to try these burgers and try to tell you guys, one, if it tastes good, two, if it looks like it's real, and three, if it tastes exactly like their ordinary Whopper. This is big for vegans or people that just don't want to eat meat. So, first off, presentation. So, category one, the appearance and the looks of the burger. George?
So far, it looks like a regular Whopper. Nothing too different.
Yeah, the patty actually looks exactly like a beef patty. It's got, let's show you guys. I dropped a tomato. It has the charred grill marks on the patty. It looks exactly like a regular Whopper, right?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna try the taste of the burger, and we're going to tell whether it's just like its beef version or not. And this is completely plant-based, so it's crazy. This is my first time having it. You?
Same. First time.
First time for each of us, so
Let's get it.
cheers.
Damn, we gotta touch.
All right. That's crazy. That's crazy. What? That's crazy. Burger King is known for that grilled, smoky taste that their patties have, and you can taste that in this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes really good.
So are we like gonna finish it first? You can get back later.
A little backstory of the plant-based burger, or the Impossible Burger. There was a lot of science and research that went into making something like this. Obviously, with research and development comes cost. So, George, how much did you pay for these?
Bro, they charged me $6 for this.
He thought $6 was a
bro.
lot.
I can feed my family for $6.
I don't think $6 is a lot.
$6 for a burger. What? You ever hear the dollar menu?
So the ultimate purpose of this video was for us to taste the burger and determine whether it tastes exactly like a normal burger or not. My vote, absolutely.
Yeah.
If you were to give me this, I would have no idea that it was a plant-based burger.
Same. Tastes just like meat. No difference at all. So, how much is a regular Whopper?
I think it's like $3 or something. I mean, in comparison to other burgers, this is a little bit more premium, but it's not that big of a deal. As far as taste, and as far
it's
as
the same.
appearance,
Exactly the
looks exactly the same as a regular Whopper and beef patty. Tastes the same as a regular Whopper and a beef patty. I highly recommend this. And you're not getting all that health issues that come with eating beef and red meat in general. So, I know this was a little bit of a brief video. I wanted to get something out there to you guys, and I was hungry, and I thought, hey, let's get an Impossible Burger and check it out. And George was down with it, so we did it. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did,
like, comment,
subscribe. See you guys again.